Must-have ChatGPT plugins that will transform your life in the next year. Since OpenAI launched ChatGPT, they have been gaining many followers for those who decide to subscribe to become Plus users. They get the advantage of installing plugins. These tools or extensions have been developed by third parties and integrated into ChatGPT. Today, we will look at 22 of the best ChatGPT plugins that will definitely transform your life in the next year. Wolfram. If you have a lot of math to do and need a personal mathematician, this is the best way to go. The Wolfram plugin will turn your regular ChatGPT into a computational powerhouse. With this, you will be able to handle complex equations, large data analyses, or even scientific simulations. For example, if you are stuck on a problem, paste the question and you will have your full answer in a few seconds with an explanation. Zapier. Automation has never been better and more interactive. Imagine a scenario where you receive an email with an appointment, but instead of having to check every time, it is instantly added to your Google Calendar. With this plugin, all your workflow across thousands of applications can be handled, eliminating the little tasks that take time. This will give you more time to deal with the more critical tasks. Askyourpdf. Sometimes you have to read a very long PDF just to get some information. Now, with the Askyourpdf plugin, you can tell ChatGPT to extract and analyze the data from any PDF document. This makes it the best companion for those who are doing some research, whether students or professionals alike. Imagine you have a lengthy report to read and understand. You can ask ChatGPT to open the PDF and provide a document synopsis. You can also ask any question regarding the information in the PDF. You just saved yourself a few hours with this. Instacart. Imagine that your groceries are over and you have to scroll through shopping ads to place an order. This has all been made easier with the Instacart plugin. Now, all you have to do is tell ChatGPT, "Can you add bread and butter to my cart?" and the order is made. Video insights. Imagine you've been told to watch a long webinar to get some information. Instead of spending about 3 hours watching a boring webinar, you can use the Video Insights plugin to make it easier. This plugin will analyze any video content and give you a precise summary. If you have a lot of things to do and you have to write a summary of a webinar, let ChatGPT handle the watching and summarizing, and you can deal with understanding the main points from the summary. Kayak. This is mainly for those who love traveling or travel agents. You can now use a personal travel agent who will save you time searching for the best hotels or cheaper flights. With Kayak, all you have to do is ask it to book a flight to Paris or find the best hotel in London and watch it do the rest. This gives you stress-free planning and makes your travel dreams come true. Link Reader. Those who do a lot of research know the hassle of reading through thousands of links just to come up with a summary. Link Reader will read through the link you sent and provide relevant information. It can do everything from summarizing blog posts to getting the key points from an article. This can not only save you time, but also boost your productivity. Research has never been more accessible. Keymate AI Search. Searching the internet can sometimes be hectic, but with Keymate AI Search, you can have all the relevant results in seconds. It uses advanced algorithms to look through millions of data points and develop a list of the top results that match your query. For example, if you want to know the latest research done on electric engines, ask Keymate AI Search and get the results instantly. Lexi Shopper. The Lexi Shopper plugin is for those who love keeping up with the latest fashion. It helps ChatGPT understand your sense of style and give you recommendations on what you love. It will show you all whether it is the trendiest summer outfits or the best dinner outfits that fit your style. OpenTable. No more phone calls or navigating various restaurant sites to make a reservation. OpenTable has made it as simple as sending one line and letting it do the rest. Whether it's a date night, business lunch, or dinner, it can do it all. All you need to do is send a message, "I need to make a reservation for 5 people at 2 p.m. on Wednesday," and watch the plugin make a reservation at the best restaurant. The Golden Plugin. Learning has now been made easier with the Golden Plugin. It will link ChatGPT with a wide knowledge base, which makes it some sort of encyclopedia. You can now search for anything, discuss complex topics, or get insights about the latest tech. This is the best plugin for those who prefer facts to casual conversation, or want to learn more about a topic. Now you can keep up with the latest trends in technology. ShowMe. This is the best plugin for those who are better visual learners. The ShowMe plugin transforms your text-based ChatGPT queries into a rich visual experience. You can discuss a new concept or ask for directions, and the ShowMe plugin will give you relevant images or diagrams to enhance your understanding of anything. The Gmail plugin. If you have a lot of emails to send or read through, the Gmail plugin is your best companion. This is your personal email manager that will draft professional emails or declutter your inbox. It's as simple as telling it to draft an email to Janet about the sales meeting and clicking send. The Spotify plugin. Nothing is as good as having a personal DJ in your pocket wherever you go. Whether you're hosting a party or need some relaxing tunes, this plugin will help you create the best playlist. All you need to do is tell it what you want to listen to and let it create a playlist for you and play you some music. It's that simple. Crypto prices. For those who are trading crypto, you have saved a lot of time that you could use for research on the current prices. With this plugin, you can get real-time updates, market trends, or investment advice all in one command. All you have to do is ask what you want to know about crypto, and the plugin will analyze all the crypto markets and give you a summary. Speech Key. This plugin will make your interaction sessions with the AI even better and more immersive. This text-to-speech plugin will bring ChatGPT to life. You can now ask it to read your favorite book or engage in casual chat and let the sound of AI accompany you. And even though the quality of the voices is not perfect, they are sounding increasingly human each day. And even better, it's free. One-word domains. Finding a unique, catchy domain that attracts everyone is difficult. However, if you're using the One-Word Domains plugin, you can get the AI to suggest and evaluate potential domain names. Now, entrepreneurs and developers can ask about some popular domain names related to a certain field and get a list. Copart. Everybody loves a good deal, and with the Copart plugin, you can ask ChatGPT to get you the best discounts and coupons online. This will save you time and money when you're shopping. So next time you decide to shop online, ask ChatGPT to get you the best coupons for whatever you're buying, and watch it fetch some of the best deals available. edX. You can utilize ChatGPT as your learning guide with this plugin. This edX plugin, ChatGPT will recommend some of the best online courses and learning paths based on your interests and career goals. And even better, it will provide you with the best edX courses in that field. Tasty. If you're tired of always eating the same thing, you can spice it up with the Tasty plugin. It will turn your ChatGPT into a culinary expert, whether you're looking for a new recipe or cooking tips. All you need to do is ask for a recipe that you have in mind and enjoy the best home-cooked meal. You will always have something to eat, and it's perfect for those who love trying new recipes. Web Pilot. This plugin will take your browsing experience to the next level. Web Pilot will navigate websites and even generate articles based on the content of the links that you provide. Once you send the link, Web Pilot will explore the web page and give you a summary or even an entire article based on the information found. The Code Interpreter plugin. There is something for everyone, including coding enthusiasts. They now have a great companion that will help them debug their code, understand complex algorithms, and even write code snippets. Whether you're a professional or a total beginner, just ask ChatGPT. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.